What is up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and I'm back, and today we're gonna try a free fall with our Mavic Air 2. We're gonna shut the motors down at 400 feet and then we're gonna start them back up, and we're gonna find out if this thing will fire back up. So basically all you gotta do is go down and in or down and out. Whew! So without further ado, let's see what happens. We're in sport mode and we are now at 105 feet. We should be able to fire them back up pretty fast. We're gonna get up here a little ways and we're gonna see what happens. Fuck that. Let's just do a test flight. Let's go up to... Great signal. All right, y'all, say a prayer for me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, it's going good. It's going good. All right, down and in. Down and in. Come on. Come on. Shit. Shit, shit, shit. Well, y'all, I am genuinely in the fucking river. If y'all want to look, I'm in the river and the drone's in the river and it doesn't fire back up. If you do emergency shut off, it does not fire back up. I don't know why, but it did not fire back up. It kind of sounded like it tried to, but then it just... So don't do that. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. And yeah, I'm no joke. Hopefully still alive after this, because yeah, had to come through some of that in the river. Really sucks, folks. I can't drop the controller because I might be able to find one online, but I'm gonna walk out to where it says it fell out. I'm gonna feel around my feet because I still got return to home function on. So, or I still got find my drone function on. So on a brighter note, it is an absolutely gorgeous day out here in the river. It's a good day to just have your shoes on and just do some wading, some light wading. Yeah, I picked a good spot for this test as always. Should have put a floaty on the drone. I'm just hoping it floats, but I really don't think it would. It's a pretty dense, very strong plastic, and it dropped in the river, so it's like probably not even freaking damaged. But it's like it's out there a little ways, and I'm a little freaked out. And I got my phone because I'm trying to use the Find My Drone feature, and I'm holding the controller in my hand too. I mean, I think I'm the alpha predator out here. I don't know. I feel pretty strong. I don't think anything's gonna mess with me with this mustache. But let's see what we can find here. Saw a turtle or two. That's all I've seen so far. No gators or anything so far. Like, share, and subscribe, folks. That's all I can say. We're gonna have to really make this video long. We're gonna have to talk about this a little before this gets released. It's gonna have to be a 10-part series if I expect to pay for this drone. You can watch the video, like I can't make it up. I watched the screen recording and you can see it in the water. Fuck. Alright. I'm gonna keep looking, folks. I'm gonna go pause the screen recording, see if I can tell anything by it. So here is the last clip, and if you look off to the lower right, you'll see a log and then another log behind it, and I'll explain that right here. Check it out. So for documentation purposes, that log right there and that log over in the corner are both in the last clip, and it's right around here. It's just the water gets too damn deep for me to really get in there and find it, and I can't see shit. And unfortunately it doesn't float, it doesn't look like. I was hoping maybe it floated in because the current's coming in a little, but I'm just not seeing it. So here's the Find My Drone feature, and this is where it's saying it's at right now. I just don't know, it probably floated a little bit before it drowned. There ain't no telling. So hope the fish enjoy it. That's how far I made it out waiting. I'm standing out there right now. It's not going to start flashing and beeping, unfortunately. This is some spooky ass shit to be wading through. It's amazing what you'll do if you're an idiot. Oh, look at this. Let's get back out of here. Oh. They say if you see a lion or a snake or anything, you gotta stand your ground, so I'm ready. I've been watching the Discovery Channel and stuff. Didn't get my camera wet or my radio wet, so all I need is another drone. Still got 3 batteries. Ow. And I need a boat. So that's a bummer, folks. At least we know for sure it's in the water, because I figured that out by the video. And yeah, the what do you call it, shutdown mode and power back on mode, I can't tell you what didn't work. You guys can maybe tell me, but I heard it when it was coming down. It went zzz, 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 but I expected it to level back out. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't, well, other than doing that to begin with, but I think maybe I kept trying to restart it, maybe before it had a chance to fire back up. I didn't wait long enough. I tried, and then I waited, and then I tried again, and then I waited a couple seconds, and then I tried again, waited a couple seconds, and then water landing. Anyhow, it is what it is. Thus is life. All for you guys. I hope you enjoy the video. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. That'll be a real crash landing. Y'all wanted a real crash landing. Probably make 2 or 3 videos out of that sucker. Golly, right over the dang bayou. My goodness. Beautiful day though, nonetheless. Beautiful day. Well, I've had about an hour of retrospection. Got my stuff. I still got my controller and batteries and everything. In closing, don't test the emergency stop function, even though there's videos online that say you can successfully do it. I am just, I don't know. Don't do it. Don't test it. It's not worth it. Promise you that. Be prepared also. Your shoes and your clothes and everything are going to be a complete mess if you decide to wade in the river looking for your drone. What's up, folks? CJ Moto, and I'm back. If you're watching this, I'm still alive, and we don't know yet if I found my drone. I haven't found it yet, but I just happen to have been an advanced open water scuba diver, and I still have my wetsuit, and I have a snorkel and fins and all that good stuff in a 3mm wetsuit. So I'm not giving up yet. We're gonna see what happens. All right, folks. Wish me luck. I really hope we find it. Say a little prayer. Please, Mavic Air 2. Gods, let me find you and not get eaten. CJ Moto out. I wish I could take this out to film for y'all, but it just ain't gonna happen. Well, y'all, just so you know, I'm not making this shit up. I got it between my feet, baby. Got that motherfucker. It is freaking, it's like a foot deep muck, and I felt this thing and I was like, that does not, oh my God. I was like, that does not feel like every other stick that I've fucked with here. I lost the propeller completely. I'd been out here for 35-40 minutes. I just couldn't give up. So anyhow, we're gonna get it home, take it apart completely, and see what happens. Man, good old freaking wetsuit. Let's just get out of here alive. We got our drone, baby. We still got our sticker and everything. I cannot freaking believe it. Find My Drone is legit. Don't give up on it. Take your time and get extremely lucky. Yo, that was nothing short of a freaking miracle that I found this thing. What the hell? Here, look, I'm on a tree. Whoa. Now I'm off of a tree. Oh my gosh. It's like silt, like freaking a foot deep. I was just feeling around and I was like, that feels like a Mavic Air 2. Oh my gosh. So what do I do now, y'all? What do I do with it?